My dear friends, it has been quite some time since I uploaded my last YouTube video. I have been away because of Corona. For 2-3 years I could not go to USA to see my grandchildren. I went to USA this time and I spent some quality time with my grandchildren. After coming back to India, I took some rest for a few days. And then I have a lot of time to kill. So I decided that I will again continue my YouTube videos. After coming back here, I found I had to go through some legal documents. I sent some documents to the lawyer asking for his legal advice. He corrected the documents. I sent it by email to him as a Word file, and he sent the files back to me after correcting as Word files. And he said he has made some corrections here and there and asked me to go through them and see whether it is okay. And I had a terrible time. The document was about 7 or 8 pages, and line by line I had to see both the documents. One way I could do it was to print the two documents and then keep them side by side and see line by line, which is a laborious process. As they say, necessity is the mother of invention. So I thought there should be some better way of doing it. Then I found I could do it on MS Word in the computer, which was very easy. So I am going to show you now how to do it, and it will be definitely very useful to you. Come, let us go to MS Word now. Now let us open MS Word. I have two specimen documents here. One is the original, one is a corrected one. These are documents I have made just for the illustration in this video. Let me open the Word file. This is the original document. I am going to open the corrected document now. This is the corrected document. See, I have kept both the documents side by side. This is the original. This is the corrected document. If you go through this, it will be very difficult for you to find out where the corrections have been made. To see where the corrections have been made, you have to click on Review and then click on Compare. This has got two choices. You can compare the two documents or you can combine the two documents. We need to compare only. So click on Compare. This page opens up. Here you can bring the original document here and the corrected document here. You click here and then specimen document original. You open that original document there. Here you click and bring the corrected document here. So the two documents have come here. See, this is the original document. This is the corrected document. And here you have comparison settings. If you click on comments, when the comparison statement opens, you will find who has made the comments and what comments they have made. Similarly, if you click on case changes, if the correction has been made to change lowercase to capital letters or vice versa, it will be shown in the revised statement. Similarly, the other details, whichever you choose, you will get it in the comparative statement. And here show changes at character level, at word level. I have chosen character level. You can try both and do some experiment on it. Here it says show changes in original document, revised document, and new document. I have chosen revised document. You can choose whichever you want. Now, when you click OK here, the compared documents appears here. This is the compared document, and this is the original document, and this is the revised document. You will find here some red lines on the border. This indicates that corrections have been made in this portion of the document. So when you take the cursor to the red line, the cursor becomes an arrow. So click that. When you click that, this page appears. See here. It says Srinivasan deleted vendor. Srinivasan deleted purchaser. Srinivasan deleted set out. These are the changes I have made. See here. Srinivasan inserted late M. Srinivasan deleted vendor. Srinivasan inserted vendor in capitals. Srinivasan deleted purchaser, and Srinivasan inserted purchaser in capitals. Srinivasan deleted set out, and Srinivasan inserted described. Subramanian, son of late M. Selvakumar, is the corrected statement. This is the original statement. You will find here Subramanian, son of Selvakumar, is written in the original statement. Here you will find Subramanian, son of late M. Selvakumar, is the correction made. And here vendor and purchaser are in capitals in the corrected statement. Vendor and purchaser are in lowercase letters here. That has been changed in capital letters here. And then another correction made here, described. Srinivasan deleted set out and inserted described. Srinivasan deleted set out and inserted described. This is the one. So let us see the original. The original it says set out, fully set out, whereas here it is described in the corrected statement. This is the corrected statement. You will find all the changes here. Here it says Subramanian son of Selvakumar. Here it says Subramanian son of late Mr. Selvakumar. It says here Subramanian son of late Selvakumar. And similarly, vendor and purchaser are in lower case here. This is the revised corrected statement. In this you will find vendor and purchaser in capital letters. So this is how the comparison is made using MS Word. And this is very, very convenient. You don't have to go through each and every line of the two statements one by one. And I find this is the best way to compare two statements. Hello my dear friends. I hope you enjoyed seeing this video. If you want to see future videos like this, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And also in the comment section below, you can mention if you want me to cover any subject like this in the future videos. Thank you very much my dear friends for spending your time and watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.